Well, hello everyone. That's right. We got another stock market weekly recap. I always talk with my hands when I do these because, well, we get excited around here, okay? We're going to talk about my portfolios, the Robinhood, then the M1 Finance. We're going to talk about what the week ahead is in store for mine, and we'll also go ahead and get into how the indices did, as well as some news. So let's go right on into it. So I think it goes without saying. Rough week for the portfolio. Rough week. Down 1% for the week. I mean, not the end of the world, but September it's not been a good month for me, okay? All time, though, up 41% or $5,943. So, all time, we're still doing fine. Again, this is as of 2017 in July. So, we're taking this. As far as any moves on the week, we'll cover that right quick. So we have, first off, Global X Super Dividend US ETF, ticker symbol DIV, paid a $1.11 dividend, nothing crazy. We had our lovely monthly dividend company, pay $4.97, which got reinvested. We love the monthly dividend beast. That is Realty Income, baby. Home Depot paid a dividend as well. $1.51. Again, that's only based off the one share I have, so nothing crazy there. And Prospect Capital also paid a nice dividend, $2.53, which got reinvested for half a share as well. So love to see that building. That's a monthly dividend payer as well. And again, the goal with these dividends really is for these positions to become self-sustaining, where they can pretty much invest in themselves to where, every year I'm adding shares, and that means every year I add more shares after that. The following year, more shares. That's really the goal, is that compounding amount there. That's the point of these investments. So it's exciting to see that start to come to fruition as, every month we're getting half a share, which means every 2 months we get a share, which means every more and more and more, baby. More and more and more. So that's that for the Robinhood one. Let's get into the M1 Finance, down 0.39 on the week. Nothing too crazy, so not wild at all. Brings us all time now. From my money-weighted perspective, up $2,122 or 45.44%. And again, that percentage is so high because it's money-weighted, and this is as of July of 2018. Overall earned dividends on this bad boy of $425 and market gain of $1,600. Well, you can see it by the positions themselves, up $1,746 or 14.38%. That's the actual percentage gain if you want to look at that, but the other one's including dividends, and it's based off time as well. So that's how you see the difference there. As far as activity for the week, nothing wild, but we obviously had our normal buys, 17 buys, pretty well spread out between everything this week. Main Street Capital paid $2.36 in dividends. Realty Income paid $1.56, and Prospect Capital paid $3.18. So overall, we're seeing some quality stuff, and can't wait to again keep enjoying that dividend. Those dividends that we're getting, I enjoy them. I love them. I really do. So same portfolio idea here. We fell under 14,000 this week, unfortunately. It's not the most beautiful thing, but we'll be okay. This portfolio will still be at $1 million by the time I am 40. I'm telling you this right now, baby. So overall, we're looking at the smart portfolio now, which is shown in the upcoming week. Now it's a little bit funky, and one of these things is correct. It's a week for me. I know that sounds weird. It's crazy seeing this coming up here where there's going to be like 3 weeks of nothing. Oh, so sad. Just so sad. By golly, it makes me sad. So you see, this week, all I really have is Stitch Fix. It lists Micron in there, but Micron actually reports on the 29th. So this week I only have Stitch Fix reporting earnings coming up, which is pretty exciting. Still earnings that I'm excited for. Still up big on the position, so whatever happens, happens. I'm going to be holding it for a while anyway, so that's a smart portfolio. Just really nice overall application. I'm telling you, I love Smart Portfolio. It gives you all the good data you want. And this one's entirely based off my Robinhood portfolio. 3.25% dividend yield, estimated $645 a year. Just, Smart Portfolio is good. A little bit higher on risk right now, just due to everything. As far as the market's concerned, Neo's up there, Stitch Fix up there. But exciting stuff. I love Smart Portfolio. If you don't have your account linked, you should do it. As far as how the indices did, the Dow was only down 0.03. So again, not too bad overall in the year, down 3.09. Still pretty decent year given all the circumstances. The S&P 500 down 0.64. Overall year to date up 2.75, and the Nasdaq was down 0.56, still up 20.29 on the year. So, which is crazy, bad week, red week for us. But overall, my portfolio, specifically the Robinhood one, underperformed the market primarily due to the fact that you've got companies like Apple, who had a pretty bad week, down 7% in Apple. Just ugly stuff there. You also have Facebook as well. Did not have a good week either, down 6.9% as well. So my tech companies didn't perform super well, and that's why Robinhood portfolio is down quite a bit, because that's 20% of my portfolio there. Yikes. If we get into the news, we're starting off with a banger. NVIDIA has purchased ARM Holdings for $40 billion from SoftBank. Yikes. $40 billion investment is crazy. Interesting to see how that partnership works. You'll obviously see an immediate impact, it says, as far as the quarterly results are concerned. So we'll see how that is interesting, how that looks. We had the video game sales report, another really good one. Oh my gosh. June, we saw a 26% gain. August, we see a 37% gain in overall sales. That is crazy. Year to date, up 23% compared to last year. That's pretty incredible. July sales up 32 to, oh my gosh. But August, very nice stuff. Hardware sales rose 37%, which is wild because, again, we have new consoles coming out, but somehow hardware sales rose quite big. Accessories jumped 42. Obviously, overall overall content sales rose 37%. Pretty nice. Madden 21 topped the sales chart, which is wild. I don't know how that's possible. I don't get it. Who's buying that garbage? Same game. I'm waiting for 2K to release their new football game. That's baby. We had the Apple event, which obviously is pretty exciting. We had updates on new iPads. Obviously, new iPad Air, the iPad 8th generation, Apple One, which is including every single thing that they could offer, iCloud, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, Apple News Plus, and Apple Fitness Plus, for $15 for a month or $20 for families, which I don't know what that includes. I can't imagine that'd be 4 total people, but typically when you talk about a family plan, it includes 4 people. That'd be a steal for 4 people. For Fitness Plus, obviously, pretty big rival to companies like Peloton that offer these services where you subscribe and they do virtual workouts with you. That's really cool. Fitness Plus, pretty exciting to see that. Otherwise, Fitness Plus would be $9.99 a month. Whew. You better get that bundle. I'll tell you that right now. We have GM introducing the Ultium Drive, which is going to be powered by a family of 5 interchangeable drive units and 3 motors. That's what their vehicles are going to be having. That's their plan. Ultium Drive, okay? Their vehicles will have 5 interchangeable drive units and 3 motors. You hear that? That's just crazy. Crazy to see. We have Roku and NBC they're ending their dispute over channel carriage with a pact that will bring streaming services. Peacock will be on Roku's platform now instead of before. They obviously blocked them out. Now, boom, we're back. Good for them. Good for Peacock. Good for everything. I don't know. Okay. And we finally have the Donald. He says, I have given the deal my blessing. He wants Oracle and TikTok deal. It's been given my blessing. It's gonna be huge. The deal's gonna be huge. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. The deal's gonna be huge. It's the worst impression I've done in my life, but potentially there could be a global release, headquartered in Texas, hiring over 25,000 people. And again, this is the best of both worlds, right? This is Donnie's main thing. The Chinese government probably won't approve of it, but this is a huge thing, right? Bringing jobs to America right here. That's what he wants to do. So if this deal takes place, which I doubt it does, just going to be honest, China isn't going to want to lose this. They're not going to want to lose it. So we'll see what it looks like. But overall, could be good, could be bad. We'll see. Hope you had a good time, and I will catch you on the flip side. Wabadoopo.